You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
And welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video, new O2 sensors. This is the second part. I already got a car on the lift. We just did the exhaust, so here's a video on O2 sensors. You buy from the right company, or you can buy them all in a set. I got upstream and downstream, so same set. So pretty easy. You need you a hot O2 sensor socket. So 7/8 ratchet, real simple. Alright, so when you replace the O2s on the G35, upstream or downstream, you can't mess it up. The driver's side will not plug into the passenger side, so you just, if you mess it up, I mean, special. Hopefully one of these was the problem and that check engine service engine light will go away. Hopefully. Put the zip ties in, because when we first took the motor out, we broke the other clips. I think that's good. It's not hanging below the subframe, so. Alright, there it is. Downstream O2 sensors replaced. Probably next weekend. I get here early, turn the car off, get on the lift, get it, cool down, and then remember to unplug from up top first before coming down here to disconnect. That's it. Thank you, guys. A real short video on replacing O2 sensors. That's it.